Create a background with rectangle tool, click this icon, or the shortcut is R. And make sure you turn on this toggle snapping for easier when you create a background, so it will show you a tooltip. And I set to this black color, and you can drag from this top left corner to this bottom right corner. Then type a text, press T, and type. Change the color to this white color, and I change the font to Montserrat Heavy. You can scale it up while holding Ctrl Shift. Now transform the text to isometric. Click the text and go to Object, choose Transform. And Skew tab, make vertical to -30. And on Rotate tab, change the angle to 60. Right? So that's how you get the isometric on Inkscape. Now let's swap the color, the white as the stroke and the fill as the black color. In this white color, hold Shift, then click. Then on the fill, just click this black color. And on fill and stroke tab, or you can click this icon, or the shortcut is Shift Ctrl F. Change the stroke style to pixel, and I make it to 3 pixel. Okay, next for the interpolation. So you can convert the text to path. In path, choose the objective path. And then right click, choose ungroup. Then you can make it combine. In path, choose combine. That's how you must do when you create an interpolation with the text. And duplicate the text, press Ctrl D. I'm holding Ctrl Shift and move it to the bottom. Now let's do the interpolation, but let me show you these tips. As you can see, this first text is in the back of the bottom text. And if you do the interpolate, let's see what happened. Select the first tag and the second. Go to extension, generate from path, choose the interpolate. And you can activate this live preview to see what happened. So this is not what I want. The top text must in the front. Let's undo it. Click the text, make sure it's in the front. Correct, let's see. So the top text is in the front now. Make sure it's in the top. Select the first text and the second. Go to extension, generate from path, choose the interpolate. And you can activate this live preview. For this option, let's see if I uncheck this option. The result will be like this. If I uncheck this, it will become like this. And this too. So I just check all of this option. And interpolation steps, you can adjust these steps here and apply, then close. You can do more variation by clicking this create and edit document page and click this plus icon, so it will create a new page next to it. And I'm just select all of this, then press Ctrl D to duplicate and move. You can zoom in and make sure the tooltip is showing, or make it automatically fit to the page. You can press F2 to select this path and F1 to enter the transform, then move it with arrows on the keyboard. And select again with F2, sample this and press F1, then move it with the arrow keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.